The ingredients for the recipe: tomatoes, oil, cumin, pink Himalayan and black rock salt. Take all the tomatoes and wash them in running water to remove all the dirt and impurities. Cut them into small pieces. Now blend all the tomatoes to form a fine puree. In a wok, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin and let it sizzle. Now add the tomato puree. Now add half a cup of water and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes on medium to high heat. Tomatoes are rich in various vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, K and B9 and potassium. They have a high content of lycopene and beta-carotene. They are rich in fiber and are very good for skin and eye health. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of cumin and roast it on medium to high heat for a couple of minutes. Pound the cumin. Add crushed cumin to the soup. After that, add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. And finally, add a tad bit of black rock salt. Mix everything well. The soup is ready. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching.